How to fix Roblox installation stack? Roblox not installing, not launching and running in background. For this first step, end Roblox process. Open Task Manager, search Roblox. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. And the next step, delete Roblox cache, search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Scroll down and click Roblox folder, click it, click local storage, delete the files inside the local storage, come back, click log folder, delete the files and folders inside the log folder, come back, close it and come to next step. Run as administrative, right click Roblox, click properties, click compatibility and enable to run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Come to next step, install Microsoft Visual C++. Before that you need to go to settings, click app settings, click install app. Scroll down and check Microsoft Visual C++. Check the version. If you're having the older version means you go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. Go to the official website and download it. Click three dot icon and click modify. If you already having means you need to click three dot icon, click modify and repair it. Need to install both 64 and 86 bit. Make sure it. Once the installation is complete after close it and do it for 86 bit. Close it. And the next method, clean boot Windows. For this search for run and type the following text mx config. Click OK. The system configuration page will appear. In this click services, enable hide all my Microsoft services, disable all, click apply and OK or restart it. After restart you can check if the problem still remains, then you need to uninstall Roblox. Go to settings, you need to uninstall it. After you need to freshly reinstall the Roblox. Click app settings, click install app, scroll down and click the three dot icon and uninstall the Roblox. After uninstall you need to go to the official website of Roblox, download and install the latest version freshly.